Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to install Play Store on this device. In order to install the Play Store, you need to open Get Apps Store. Then, firstly we need to connect to Wi-Fi network. Wait a while. Great. Now open Get Apps Store and click click on this button on the right top corner. Then find here Google Play Store. And here you will see Google Play Store with update button. As you can see, I have no Google Play Store on my device. I have no this application, but I have update button on this Get Apps Store. So click update button. Wait a while. And as you can see, I have Play Store in my device now. So now you can sign in into your device, and that's it. Google Play Store is working properly in our device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.